Hi guys and welcome to our channel Techline. Have you decided to get an Asus laptop? Whether you need a high-end gaming laptop, a budget laptop, or a cheap machine, if you're looking for the best, you are at the right place. So let's check it out. 5. Asus ROG Strix Hero 2. The Asus ROG Strix Hero 2 is one of the best laptops for gaming. Its robust specifications include Intel Core i7-8750H 3.9 GHz processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics. This means that users will be able to play the latest titles without facing any problems. This laptop also has a colorful 144 GHz panel with mesmerizing speakers, highly suitable for listening to music. The laptop provides sufficient storage space with 256 GB SSD plus 1 TB HDD capacity. It works on 16 GB RAM. It weighs 5.29 pounds and has up to 7 hours of battery life. The laptop has a stylish aluminum lip and has a metallic gray ROG logo engraved. It has a 15.6-inch IPS display with a 1920 by 1080 screen resolution. The 144 GHz panel is extremely vivid and bright, and it captures each detail that appears on the screen. It has an island-style keyboard with incredibly soft palm rests for ultimate comfort. The space bar is carved and the keyboard as a whole adds a gritty aesthetic to the Asus Hero 2. The speakers are ferocious and powerful. Users are guaranteed to be blown away with the intensity of the bilateral sounds and the extraordinary treble and bass. The 6 GB of VRAM allows smooth running of high-quality video games such as Shadow of War. Overall, the laptop is powerful, sturdy and stylish. 4. Asus ROG Zephyrus. From what we've seen, there isn't any current game on the market the Asus ROG Zephyrus isn't capable of smoothly processing. Even a minimum FPS of 60 isn't hard to sustain for it. It has 8 GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 graphics unit. For a gaming laptop, which is a power-hungry model as it is capable of working well for 4.5 hours if you keep the brightness dim. ROG Zephyrus works on a 3.9 GHz Intel Core i7-8750H processing unit. It has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. It has an average weight of around 4.5 pounds. The laptop has a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 display. The color accuracy is another thing that really attracted us to this laptop. It's vibrant for watching videos and streaming games. Even under the direct sunlight, the brightness ensured there is no lack of visibility. Combine that with the matte finish and it kept the glares at bay. The 144 Hz refresh rate and the fast response time made even simply playing with the mouse cursor fun. The keys are slightly elevated, giving it a nice touch while typing or playing games. The last thing a gamer wants to do is accidentally press the wrong key while playing. 3. Asus TUF. The Asus TUF is perfect for those who are looking for a budget gaming laptop as it showcases performance that is impressive at the given price. The audio is also decent enough and is one of the strong points of this laptop. The laptop has AMD Ryzen processor that runs with 4 GHz speed. It has 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. It weighs around 4.85 pounds. The 1920x1080 resolution and 15.6-inch Full HD display did little to please us during our use. In fact, we found that the brightness level of the screen is not satisfactory. The keyboard features a red backlight for the number pad. While talking about the design, it is nothing mind-blowing either. The body is made of plastic and has a line pattern along with the company logo in red. We discovered that the Asus TUF with 6 GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 is best suitable for games that are not too intensive, as the computer might lag if you try to run complicated programs in it. The battery life of the laptop is just around 4 hours, which makes it an unpopular option if you are looking to buy it for work purposes. 2. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo UX 581. The laptop of tomorrow. This is how Asus ZenBook Pro Duo UX 581 is being touted and promoted. Its configuration and performance speak volumes about itself. The phenomenally designed laptop is an asset, especially for professional users. Though multiple monitors in one computer have been attempted by many, Asus is apparently the first to successfully put together dual screen in a laptop, making it nothing less than a powerhouse. For gaming needs, it has 6GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics unit. The dual screen works flawlessly and is very useful, especially when browsing the web. Dual screens make working and playing much more pleasant. You can keep juggling between windows. Boring meetings can run on the second screen while you work on interesting stuff. 15.60 LED 3840x2160 touchscreen and screen pad plus are other fantastic features to notice. Performance-wise, Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is among the best available laptops. It runs on 5 GHz Intel Core i9-9980HK processor with 32GB RAM. The available storage space of 1TB SSD is fast and sufficient enough. This laptop is highly recommended for professional users such as lawyers, teachers, medical school students, stock trading professionals, who do a lot of multitasking and manage multiple things at a time. However, it's not of much use for beginners or rookies. If you don't understand its features, the machine is not for you. The drawback of this laptop is its short battery life and weight. Owing to multiple screens, its battery gets exhausted in just 3 to 4 hours. Also, it's not as sleek and as light as you would like. It weighs around 5.5 pounds. Another demerit is its keyboard, so if you are an avid writer who types a lot, then consider checking out our list of best laptops for writers. 1. Asus ROG G703GX. The Asus ROG G703GX is one of the most powerful gaming laptops. It is loaded with hardware and therefore, has a huge chassis to fit all that in. It comes with Intel Core i9-9980HK super fast processor with 5 GHz clock speed. Plus 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD storage, can run any program, game smoothly and store wide range of files. This high-end gaming laptop has 8GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card. The laptop also does not heat up while playing games. The cooling mechanism of this laptop is extraordinary. It has no thermal throttle whatsoever. It is extremely fast and packed with features, making it the perfect laptop for anyone who buys it. The Asus ROG gaming laptop has a 17.3-inch FHD screen with a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. The color accuracy of this laptop is reasonable as the panel lacks a bit of warmth. The area around the keyboard is made up of matte black aluminum, which gives the laptop a bold look. Users need not worry about the breakage of the laptop as it is extremely strong and durable. With just 5 hours of battery life, it can a little disappointing, but considering the specs it has, the battery backup is much better than a lot of other competitors in the market. It is also bulky than a few other gaming laptops, weighing 10.35 pounds. However, popular opinion about this laptop suggests that the laptop is worth every single penny. So what did you guys? Let us know in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit like button and bell icon so you get notified of future uploads.